Hello, YouTubeator. We love Alux. Who won't? And let us tell you that this channel has a lot to do with the motivation we had to start an online business we really enjoy. If you don't know Alux, you should definitely give it a look. You'll quickly understand that the 4 million subscribers they have could be anything but pure luck. The concept seems quite simple, and it is simple, a faceless channel about money, finance, luxury, and self-development. And at some points, it also belongs to the celebrity niche. So the question is, how did they manage to go this far without picking a specific niche? Is this channel questioning one of the biggest bases of YouTube content, which is picking a specific niche and sticking with it to attract a qualified audience? It seems like Alux didn't settle for this role. So what does it teach us about YouTube, since this channel belongs to the YouTube automation business model? That's what we're going to tell you in this video. The main niche of Alux is luxury. The tone is set by the name and the logo of the channel. The intro also defines the targeted audience, future billionaires. So as you can see, this channel gives tips and inspiration to people who want to become wealthy by creating their own businesses. The diversity of topics is intentional, and when you give a look at the playlist section, you're going to be impressed by the number of playlists they set. Poverty to wealth, motivation, take action, luxury news, how incredible people did incredible things, what the future holds, and so on. Over 4,000 views for this video, 1.7 for this one, and 2.5 million views for this video. So, how much money does this channel earn from AdSense? To find an answer to this question, we opened Social Blade as we usually do for every study case, and this is what we found. Nothing. So does it mean that Alux isn't part of the AdSense program? Absolutely not. You need to know, YouTubeator, that every channel has the right to hide its stats from the Social Blade algorithm, and you don't even need to justify your choice. And if you want to know more about this channel's earnings, they made a video in 2018 called How to Brute Force Your Way to 1 Million, and took their channel as a study case. We'll leave you a link to this video in the description below because the information you'll find there is worth your time. And after watching this video, you'll get a clear idea of a YouTube automation path, the exact strategy you can start right now to reach this momentum and build a digital asset where the sky is the only limit. Actually, your limit, even to begin earning money from a YouTube channel, depends on two related elements. The first one is the quality of the information you give to your audience. When you look closely at Alux videos, you'll notice very fast that despite their length, an average of 20 minutes per video, the script is not only engaging but full of valuable tips and information. The strength of this channel is obviously the soundness of the text displayed from the beginning until the end of each video. If you compare Alux to Temponot Timelapse, which is a faceless and voiceless channel, the only way to succeed in this kind of YouTube automation channel is to build a script, a well-investigated script. If you haven't watched our video about Temponot Timelapse, you'll find a link right below in the description section. The second powerful element has more to do with the strategy of the channel than the content itself. With all the channels out there, especially in the self-development and finance niche, it's definitely not that easy to convince over 4 million people to subscribe, massively interact with comments, and binge-watch 20 minutes of educational videos. Alux has a high publication frequency. Once a day, and on some days, we can find more than 2 published videos. So if you're wondering, at this early stage of your YouTube automation journey, how often you should publish, the answer is in Alux's strategy, the sweet spot between quality and quantity. This means that if you're able to make one valuable video per week, this is going to be your frequency. But if you reach a point where you can do a video a day without compromising the quality and the value you give to your audience, go for it. There are way more angles we can take to understand the success of Alux, but we don't want to confuse you with deeper analytics. So we'll leave you with those elements, hoping you find what you can implement in your own channel. If you want to know more about Alux, feel free to ask for it in the comments below and we'll be more than happy to answer your request. And if you're not subscribed yet, do it right now. We have a lot of study case videos coming up soon.